This is a new case, the first case I bought. It is, I'm going to build a desktop. So right now I only got the case and the power supply. I already connected all the fans directly to the power supply. Right now, so at first I'm gonna try to turn on the fans. So I try to turn on, like put in the plug and turn on the power supply. Oops, nothing happens. What you have to do first, I didn't know it at first, but like what you gotta do is interesting. You gotta connect this green wire. There's only one green wire, and then the black wire right beside at the left. So how are you gonna connect? It's simple. You have to put into the plug. So that's it. Simple. You put in the hairpin, and now you try to turn it on. Dun dun dun. You turn on. There's one fan right here, and the second fan right there, and then third fan is right there. And you can't see it, but it's right there. And there's another fan, is right here, but I gotta put it back, the cover. So yeah, this is just power supply and then case for now. In a few days, the motherboard, the CPU, and everything else gonna come. And let's see how it goes.